you know that every time you cook in your kitchen, or every food item you make, especially the ones you make regularly, you already have a recipe. I've always said this to so many people. That means the stew you're cooking every week or every month or whatever. Just imagine the amount of times you've made that stew or that soup in there. You already have a recipe. You just never took the time to get the measure cups, measure spoons, pen and paper, write it down. And so that, because you're used to the same size pots at the house and you use the same pot, so it's easy. You can measure everything by just seeing it on where you pour it in. But if they give you another pot somewhere else, when you go to someone else's house, that's why when you go to your sister's house and she say, oh, repeat that jollof rice you made, and it doesn't taste the same, it's because you're using a different size container. So write that recipe down. Take your time to write it down. When you get to someone else's place, you just replicate it. Just use that recipe. And you already have your recipe. So master of everybody, every time, stop behaving as if you have a recipe. You know how you want it to taste. You know the amount of pepper. You know the amount of rodo, tatache, and onion and everything that you put in. Just write it down. You don't have to do it all at one shot. Like, for every time you cook that same item, just look at it. Look at how many pepper you add, or how many onion or salt. That's why you need measuring spoons and measuring cups. That's all I have to say.